How to fix duplicate contacts in WhatsApp? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of the device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into apps. Search for the application WhatsApp and then click on it. You have to make sure that the contacts is set to allow full access. Once you have set it to full access, now WhatsApp will automatically access your contacts informations and remove all of the duplicate numbers or contacts from WhatsApp. But if you're still having the issue, then the next thing you want to try doing is move into the App Store on your device. In the address bar, you have to search for Duplicate Contact Remover. Click on this application. You have to make sure to install this application. Simply click on Get and tap on Install. This application will help you to remove all of the duplicate contacts on WhatsApp. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.